Alright, so today we will be having a quick tutorial about a basic VoIP configuration. So first, let's start with having a router, a switch, a couple of IP phones, a VoIP device, and an analog phone. Alright, so after that, we will be needing to open each of the IP phones and enter each of it with an adapter. Now, we will be needing to connect all the devices with the use of the copper straight through. We will start first with connecting the router to the switch, and then the switch to the IP phones and the VoIP device. Lastly, we will be using the crossover cable to connect the VoIP device to the analog phone. Alright, now we are done with the connections, and now it's time to click the router. Into the CLI, enter no, and then we will start with enable, configure terminal, and then interface fast ethernet 0/0, and enter the desired IP address together with its subnet mask. After that, enter no shot, exit, and then we will be creating IP DHCP pool, and we will be naming it voice. Then enter your network address together with its subnet mask. After that, type default router and then your IP address. And after that, enter option 150 and then your IP address. And after that, you should be seeing this. Exit. And now we will be heading to the telephony service. Enter the MAX directory numbers, which is in this case 5. Enter MAX ePhones 5. And then type IP source address and input the IP address and the port number. Next is by typing auto assign 1 to 5 and then exit. Alright, after that, enter the following commands to change all its state to up. So basically, what we are doing here is assigning the phones their designated numbers. Now we're done with the router, and now let's head to the switch. Enter its CLI, and then enter the command enable, configure terminal, and then int range FA 0/2 to 6. After that, switch port mode access and switch port voice VLAN 1. Now let's head to the VoIP device, and in the config, input your IP address. Now it's time to check the phones and label each one of them. Alright, now we are almost done. Let's try to dial the other phone's number. you can see, it successfully worked. Congratulations! You now have a basic VoIP configuration. So if you enjoyed and learned by watching this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.